Greetings to everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the values of biodiversity. We've discussed in my previous video that what is biodiversity and what are the levels of biodiversity. Biodiversity is nothing but the variety and variability among the living organisms. And because of that variety or variability, what are the various values or the benefits that a human being getting that we are going to discuss in this video. The importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity boosts the ecosystem productivity. This plays a major role in starting from the providing of food to the commercial products and to protecting the environment, balancing the environment. All those are the major benefits that a human being are getting from the biodiversity. The values of biodiversity, we got benefits from the other organisms in innumerable ways. And one must understand and realize and appreciate that values that a human being are getting from the biodiversity or from the nature. The values of biodiversity is classified by Neely in 1990. Let's discuss the values one by one. The first major value is the consumptive use value. The direct use value where the product is harvested and consumed comes under this consumptive use value as food. We are depending for food on the nature. It can be plant or animal. In the directly plants, all animals are providing food for the human beings. The other consumptive use value is for medicines and drugs. We know that 75% of the medicines are extracted from the various resources itself, majorly from the various plants. And we know that penicillin is from Penicillium. And from cinchona bark, we can extract quinine, which is a malaria drug. And we can extract anti-cancer drugs, vinblastine and vincristine, from periwinkle, and so on. We are extracting 75% of our medicines only from the biodiversity or from plants. And other than food and drugs and medicine, we are used depending on the nature or on the biodiversity for fuel also, such as wood, trees, from trees, coal, on varieties of fossil fuels like petroleum, natural gas. This all comes under the consumptive use value where we are harvesting and consuming it directly. And this just I gave few pictures of the fuels, the timber and food, firewood, and these are the varieties of plants from which we can extract the cancer drug vinblastine and vincristine, as I mentioned. The next value is productive use value. The human being is not only depending on the biodiversity for direct consumption, but also for the commercial usable values, such as the products that we extract from the various sources that are musk from musk deer, silk from silkworm, wool from sheep, fur of many animals, and lac from lac insects, tusks of elephants. These are the commercial products where we can use in various industries like paper, pulp, silk, textile, ivory, works, leather, pearl, etc. These are products are more commercial, and the person who deals with these type of commercial products will be benefited commercially. And these are the various products consumptive use having the consumptive use value. But one must understand that maybe it gives a profit to the individual person, but it affects the survival of that particular animal or plant. Even redwood smuggling, these are all legally banned. These are all illegal poachings. But for the benefit of an individual person, they're all doing this. But in order to protect that animals or plants, we must conserve them. And the other value is social value. The values associated with our social life, religion, customs, psychospiritual aspects of the people comes under this category. And our religion, our rituals, most of our rituals are related with the uh, worshipping the plants and animals like tulsi, people, mango, lotus. We feel them as holy and sacred. Even cow, snake, bull, peacock, we all worship them. We have they all have significant place in the psycho-spiritual arena, and we protect them or we value them for our customs or religion. The ethical value. The third category is ethical value or existence value. This is all life must be preserved. Live and let them live. Biodiversity is valuable and it is balancing the environment. In order to survive, we must protect them. And because of our activities, a lot of extinct species are there. There's our passenger pigeon and dodo. These are extinct species. Maybe the human being directly or indirectly affecting the survival of a lot of animals, irrespective of our usage or our dependence on a particular organism, we should protect them. That is the value called ethical value, live and let them live concept. And the other value is aesthetic value. Aesthetic value is the beautiness, enjoying the beautiness of the nature. And we spend our time and money to enjoy the nature's beauty. And that comes under ecotourism also. And it is benefited to the government. And even that gives a lot of pleasure to us if we spend our time in such a place where the nature has beauty. That so that we need to protect them. That's the value called aesthetic value. The optional value means the value that includes the potentials of biodiversity that are presently unknown but may be explored soon in future. So we need to protect that particular animal or plant that comes under the optional value. Intrinsic value. The biodiversity has its own value worth protecting it, regardless of its values to the human being. Irrespective of the usage of that particular animal or plant, we must protect them because they play a major role in the environment. They are balancing the environment. And in order to balance the environment, we need to protect that particular organism. We will discuss the biodiversity in India and hotspots of biodiversity in next video. Thank you.